You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep cups. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse. Don't forget to RSVP.
오늘은 아침을 먹고 쿠킹클래스를 가도록 하겠습니다. 거의 마시다시피 하고 가야 될 것 같아요. 다른 데 더 있나?
Holy basil, seafood, stir-fry cashew nut chicken, spicy fried rice too. But you make some Korean food here and 6 months or 9 months in minimum time. This one has very strong smell and strong taste too. Very texture. Yeah, the brown sugar. Okay, this one we make the bakery or make some dessert to cook your food. Smell, nice and sweet aroma. For the garlic sauce have the garlic smell, strong and hot smell. So we cook in different style. Garlic sauce we cook the big difference for the Thai curry paste. From the red curry paste, when you add the masala in, you know masala.
침 나올 것 같지.
꾸며주시는 게 엄청 많이
진짜.
For decoration.
Put it inside. How do you say inside bon appetit?
Because we need all crunchiness and the freshness. 3, 2,
맛있겠다.
1. Okay, done. Happy New Year. Turn off your heat. How to decorate? Get more. Gonna change. Here you have the crispy mung bean and the white sesame seed.
And what makes the rice blue?
Flour.
Yeah.
Smurf.
여긴 다 그러더라고요.
올라갔다가 땀이 많이 나는데 땀이 가져졌어요.
사진을 찍어드릴 테니까 이야기해 주시고요. 이쪽에 일단 뷰 자리니까
쫄깃쫄깃.